Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is, what it's used for, how to get started, where and when to apply, drawbacks, and the different considerations before choosing this product. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
The Solutions 1x2 Flylight Fly Trap is a ready-to-use light trap built to control infestations of flies and other flying insects. This trap does not zap flies, but instead uses two UV lights to attract and trap flying insects. The UV light will attract the insects to a glue board positioned behind the bulbs where they'll get stuck and eventually die. This is a 110-volt fly light that will fit any standard US plug outlet. This fly light can stand on any flat surface, but it's recommended that the unit is mounted on a wall to ensure stability and maximize its effectiveness. To hang the fly light, you'll need a level and a Phillips head screwdriver or a power drill with a Phillips head drill bit. The Solutions fly light already comes with screws and wall anchors. First, hold the bracket up to your wall where you want to install it. Make sure it's level and mark the two spots you're going to drill into. Figure out if you're drilling into wood or just drywall. If you're only drilling into drywall, consider installing the unit's supplied wall anchors. Once you're ready, hold the bracket up to your marks or anchors and drill the screws in. You can then easily set the unit onto the bracket by sliding it into place. Once your unit is installed, remove the bottom cover by pulling the pin on the right side and using your left hand to keep the cover steady, and then set it aside. Lift the cage wiring and tilt it toward you. It should hold steady on its own. Pull the glue board out of the cage from the bottom, and then peel the paper from the glue board. Be careful not to touch the adhesive. Slide the glue board back into the unit using the grooves at the bottom to keep it in alignment. Make sure it then snaps into the top clips. Set the cage wiring back into place. Set the bottom cover back onto the unit by aligning the grooves on the left side and holding the pin on the right as you fit it back on. Once everything is set, plug the power cord into the unit and into the power supply. The Solutions 1x2 Flylight Fly Trap is ideal for use in food preparation areas, away from public view, and a variety of other sensitive areas where flies need to be controlled. Since the flylight will attract flies and other flying pests, install it away from spots you don't want these pests to harbor. The ideal height of the flylight is 6 feet off the ground, as this is the typical height most flying insects are flying at. If you place the flylights any lower, you may be drawing the flies into food prep areas. Since flying pests are a problem year-round, you can install the flylight anytime and turn it on whenever you're experiencing pest activity. Remember to replace the glue boards every 90 days and the bulbs every 9 months. The Solutions 1x2 Flylight Fly Trap is great for controlling infestations of flying pests, but it can also be unsightly for guests. If you're looking for a flylight with public applications, try the Solutions Uplight Flylight. This flylight appears as a stylish, decorative wall sconce, and it's the perfect choice for public areas where fly management needs to be discreet, like in restaurants or the front of house areas. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For each type of pest, we've come up with treatment methods we guarantee 100% to work. Click the icon on the top right of the screen to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.